Here we go again. Audiolithic Mac, and I'm back with another video. Now, in this video, right, I'm going to show you all these trolls over here, right, who just can't stop the toxic behavior in my videos, right? So, for these trolls, I got something special for everyone, all my followers, right? On behalf of all the trolls, you got this guy named Papa Drum Set. This is Two Papa, a guy who has a cat, some type of dog or something like that as a profile in his main page. I know all these people. Mike Ball, this guy is some boom bap guy who also has a stray cat, right? And he just keeps trolling and trolling in all my videos, right? But this is what I have for all my loyal leaders out there, because again, you may follow me, but you're still a leader. Now, everyone who requested a drum kit, right, that I'm giving out for free, I'm also giving out free consultations. Yes, free consultations. So anything you need to know about music, whether it be production, gear, how to make a song, and how to get your music on any streaming platforms, just hit me up. And this goes to only the loyal followers, only the subscribers of the channel who are loyal and who requested a drum kit. So if you requested a drum kit, you will get free consultations. I'll set it up for you. Hit me up and just say, give me free consultation, and I will give you a free consultation via Zoom, and I'll tell you anything and everything you need to know for free, because I don't want you to get conned like I did, spending $300 for fluff. I'm giving you everything, anything about gear, anything about putting your music in the right space, any contact when it comes to a mastering engineer, a mixing engineer, because I know a few of them who are Grammy Award winning engineers. So I'll give you that access all for free. Right now, you may have to pay for their services, right? But at least you have access to these people, right? And any link, any perk, anything that you want and may desire, I will give in these free consultations regarding your music, right? Regarding pro audio, right? Regarding making beats, right? Anything you need to know, I will give to you for free. Free consultations. Thanks to this guy here, Two Papa. That's who it is. And this guy, Mike Ball, the boom bap guy from New York with the stray cat. Yeah, I know who you are. So thanks to you guys, right? All the negative comments, for every negative, trolling, toxic comment, I'm giving away something free, right? For all my followers. So all my followers, right? For all my videos, right, I'm giving away a free drum kit and free consultations for all. All you have to do is reply free consultations, right? But you have to request a drum kit first. So you request the free drum kit, and I will give you free consultations along with the drum kit. We'll set it up. I'll give you the date and time, and I will set up a Zoom meeting where I'll give you all the information that you need, everything you need to know when it comes to improving your music production and audio, right? Everything you need to know. Audiolithic Mac, and I like to thank all the toxic trolls for allowing these freebies, right, for all of my loyal supporters. Thank you, and keep doing the good troll work that you know you're best at. Take care and be blessed.
Audiolithic Mac got the info.